Hello guys, welcome to CyberSecurity YouTube channel. So guys, today we are in the day 3 of best scripting series. So guys, in today's video, we will discuss about the conditional statements and the exit status code. So guys, don't worry, I will give the full playlist link in the I button so you can get access to the whole playlist. And guys, without wasting the time, let's dive into the computer screen and start today's video. So guys, first of all, let's start with the conditional statements. So guys, as we know, conditional statements comes like when we want to take any decision or it's time for the decision making process. So at that time we use the conditional statements. So here we have like conditionals allows a base script to make decision based on command success or failure, like file existence, user input, numericals or string comparison, and system states. So for this decision making process, we use the conditional statements in base scripting. Then like why base conditions are important, like it enables logic in script, prevent errors, improve security, automate decision, handle unexpected situation. Without conditional, scripts are static and unsafe. So for these reasons we use the conditional statements in the base scripting. So guys, here we have some of the file test operators. Like in bash scripting, in order to make decision using some of the files, like we have to use some of the flag or operators. So like for the regular files, we have to use -f, for directory -d, for existence like -e, for readability -r, writability -w, and for executability -x. So like we use these flags to signify some of the files and to make some of the decisions. So guys, here we have the string comparison. Like base scripting, to compare the string we have to use separate operators, and to compare the numerical value we have to use the separate operators. So like here we have some of the operators and with the meaning. So these are for the string comparison, and guys here we have for the numeric comparison. And yeah, at last these are the logical operators, so we can use this for the and for not. So guys, this is a simple instruction or knowledge about the conditional statements in bash scripting. So now we can move towards the script and we can watch out this practically. So let's dive into the script. So guys, here we are in the sample1.sh file. Like here we have a sample script. So guys, here we have started with the shebang, and like here we have declared the variables. So here we have used the read command like to take the command line arguments. So like here we have a sample note, like here enter your age, and we have declared here the variable age, and then we have done a echo. And after here we have done the numerical comparison. Like here we have the conditional statement, like we have used the if, elif, else, and we have ended it with a 5, the reverse of if. So here we have used the numerical comparison. So here if the age is less than 18, then we will declare as minor. Else, elif age is less than 60, then we will declare as adult, or else senior. So like let's run this script here. So to run this script, we know the command sample1.sh, and we can give enter. Like here you can see enter your age. So I will give it 21 and let's give enter. So like here you can see, like this statement, your age is here, we can see that is 21, and we were declared as adult. So yes, now it's done. So then let's scroll down and get some other examples. So here we will do the string comparison. Like here you can see the variable declaration. We have declared the variable here, the user, and we can do the string comparison. So if user equals to root, if the user value is equals to root, then echo will come admin user. Okay, let's try this. Let's try root and give enter. So here you can see we got the admin user. let's do one thing. Like we can do here, like we can add another statement. I will do elif enter a valid user. So I will save this. Yes, I have saved this one. So now let's run this. So first of all, this script we have to run, and here, like if I will do another one, so here you can see enter a valid user. So yeah, like this the conditional statements work in the numerical comparison, and here we have tried the string comparison. So now let's try the logical comparison or using the file operator. So guys, here we have the final script, that is like here we will try the logical comparison with the file operator. So here we have declared the variable like with the file name, that is a file.txt. We have declared the variable, and here we have used the conditional statement like if the file is readable and the file is a regular file, then we will get the echo like yes, file exists and is readable, or else we will get the file is missing or not readable. So let's run this script. So like this one is the previous one, and here you can see like the file.txt exists and is readable. So yeah, so guys, this is a basic script about the conditional statements. So now let's move towards the exit code. So guys, here we have the theory like exit code in the BashScripting. So what is the exit code? So exit code is nothing but a written code in the numerical value that give us the instruction like whether the previous command or the previous script has run successfully or not. So if we will get a 0, then the previous code is success or previous script is success, and if a non-zero, then it might be some failure or errors. So like here we have some of the exit code with the meanings, like if we'll get a 0, then that is success. If we'll 1, so general error. With 2, misuse or cell building. With 126, that is a permission issue. With 127, that is a command not found. And with a 130, that is a script terminated with a control C. So these are some of the exit code. We have a lot more, so you can explore that by yourself. And guys, one more thing, like in Bash, we can also define our own exit code. Like we can define using the exit keyword. So we can define that can be range from 0 to 255. So using this number, we can also define our own exit code. So now let's move towards the script and try out this. Guys, let's remove this and we can open the sample2.sh. So guys, here we have the script. So now let's clear the screen. So guys, here we have the sample2.sh. Like we have started this with the cbind, and so here we have used the ls command, and here we have used some of the path. Like we want to check whether this path is exist or not. So and here we have done a echo, and we have used the command like $? So this will show us the exit code status of the previous command that we have run. So like here, let's run this script, and guys, here you can see like the exit code is 2, and we got like no such file or directory. Like we know etc and passwords, like with this name any file doesn't exist. So with the correct file path, like let's omit this s, and if now I will save this file, let's do one thing. Now let's run this file. So now here you can see here is the file path and the exit code is 0. Like now it's success. We have successfully run this command. But previously you can see here we have the exit code status that is 2 and like no such file or directory. If we check with the notes, Like here you can see with a tool that is the misuses or cell built in. So yes, that's all for exit code and like the conditional statements. With the upcoming video we'll learn with more concepts. So guys, that's all for today's video, and I will give the notes and the scripts in the description so you can access that. And guys, like this video, and if you have some of the doubts, so you can put that in the comment section. And guys, subscribe to CyberCrush YouTube channel. Thank you.